So why you ain't putting your hands on the steering wheel? He drive himself. What you touching? What you got to do?
I'm smoking out the zone. Got me feeling like Jay-Z and Kanye watching it on. Yo, bitch gonna let me go.
So you just finna ride up the street texting. Look at this shit right here.
I got homies that's I got homies that's impatient. Slow grind better than no grind. I got this shit off the bowl line. Big bro bang with both nine. Everybody wanna be rich, but nobody wanna be real now. Nobody wanna get shot, so I vibes to that.
So we headed to the airport. About to jump up out of here and go to California. And I'm riding with my son. And he got this damn new car with drive itself up the road. He ain't even touching the wheel. We just riding up. Look at it, he over there asleep. No, you better wake your ass up, boy. He playing, man. For real.